How's it, guys? It's Linton here from Greenbox Markets. Just want to do a follow-up on the Euro-Yen long position that we're currently in. As you can see, I entered this trade here on the 7th of last month, so I've been in it for nearly a month now, and we're up around about just shy of $1,500 on this trade at the moment. So let's take a look at the technicals on the weekly chart quickly. So this initial move here on the left being the impulse wave, this being the corrective structure which broke to the upside, and we are now expecting this impulse to complete to the upside. Then what we did after the break of this structure over here is we saw the formation of a structure on the daily time frame. So let's go and have a look at that quickly. So on the daily time frame, we can also see that there was quite a clear structure formation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves completed and a break of that to the upside, which was an indication that this second impulse move is starting. And then on the 4-hour, we saw a 1, 2, 3 wave structure which broke to the upside. On the bottom of the third wave on the 4-hour time frame here, that was my entry for the long position. Expecting, it looked like a bit of a flat structure, so expecting that even if there was a fourth and a fifth wave, that my entry would be more or less at the same level. So I decided to enter the trade over here, and I currently have my stop loss placed at this position just outside of the structure. Now, what I want to do is move my stop further into profit, and the main reason for that is because if we have a look back on the weekly time frame, we can see here on the Fibonacci that I've got on the chart here, the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that we're very, very close to a 50% retracement. So it is very possible that we'll see a bit of a pullback from this level first before the impulse continues to the upside. We could get something to this effect. If you look across on the left of the chart here, you can see that there was a bit of a consolidation or a correction that built up over there. And it did pull back quite a bit if you consider that this is a weekly chart. So what I want to do is make sure that I lock in as much profit as possible on this trade in case we do see that kind of pullback. So I'm just going to go down to the 4-hour chart. So again, we can see here this was my entry off the bottom of the structure, and my stop loss is currently sitting at this level over here. This being the 50% retracement on the weekly chart, this blue line that you can see here. So I'm expecting the price to consolidate a little bit at this level, and as we can see already, there is structure which is formed over here. So we've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave little structure in between there that has formed, and the possibility is that the structure could break to the downside for a retest of around about this level over here before continuing up on the impulse of the bigger time frame. So I want to lock in as much profit as possible and make sure that I don't get caught like that. But I also don't want to disclose this trade, and the main reason for that is because it is possible that this structure will break to the upside, and we'll see the break of this 50% retracement level, the formation of another structure, and a break to the upside. In that event, I want to still be in this trade. I don't want to just close it now because I think there's a possibility of a pullback. I'd rather keep this trade open and see whether we do manage to break this resistance level here and keep going up. So I'm going to move my stop to just below where this structure would be. Let me just draw the line here so we can see. Okay, so that being the bottom of the structure, and I'm going to move my stop loss just below that previous low. So we're looking at around about $1,250. That's where my stop is sitting at the moment. Should the price reverse from here and take me out, that will be my profits, and I'll wait for setups to get long on this pair again. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so as yet. Feel free to leave comments in the comment section below and ask questions regarding any of the services that we offer or any of the analysis that I post. And then also, if you have any currency pairs that you'd like some analysis done on, please let me know, and I'll see if I can assist you with that. And then if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends on various social media platforms. Have a great day. Take care. Cheers.